Entrata is a property management software known especially for its ease of use and convenience for property managers and owners. In addition to this, Entrata also offers a decent set of features, giving a good balance of pros. But what are the cons, and is it really the best option for you? We'll cover this and more in today's review. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a landlord and real estate investor here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel. Let's open things up in this Entrata property management software review with Entrata's features. Entrata offers a strong list of features with a good balance toward just about everything you need as a property manager. Their features include accounting features such as bank reconciliation and rent collection, CRM for tenant and lead management, lead tracking, maintenance management, invoicing, tenant portal, reporting, and customer websites. Entrata separates each of its services into separate products. So going into their pricing, they actually don't list their pricing publicly, so as a result, the only way to find out their pricing would be to manually contact them. Now, let's take a look at some overarching pros and cons of Entrata's property management software. The first pro is a solid set of features. If there's one thing you won't be left wanting with Entrata, it's features. It's just a matter of price for the features, so you'll have to decide that. Another pro is good usability. Entrata software is known for being easy to navigate and find things, giving it a high usability score. Now onto the cons. One con is lack of transparency in the pricing. As mentioned, Entrata doesn't list their pricing online, and the only information that we could find is from individual customers on sites like Capterra or by contacting them directly. When evaluating a property management software's pros and cons, we always recommend that you look at real customer reviews on sites like Capterra. This usually gives you a well-rounded picture of what real users are experiencing with software. To stay unbiased, I'm not going to highlight specific reviews, so I strongly suggest that you just go and look at those reviews yourself. So now that we've had a chance to see what Entrata has to offer, let's compare it to a powerful alternative, DoorLoop. With a powerful set of features, affordable pricing, and award-winning customer service and usability, there's little to not love about DoorLoop. Let's see how they stack up against one another. Starting with the features. Earlier we talked about Entrata's expansive feature set. With DoorLoop, you also get the complete package, including the following property management solutions: automated rent payments, full accounting suite with a convenient QuickBooks online integration, e-leasing and screening tools, tenant portal and CRM for resident management, maintenance management, marketing tools such as automatic listings, user friendliness, and much, much more. Plus, you get access to everything with a convenient mobile app. Now onto the pricing. So like I mentioned, we don't know Entrata's pricing as it's not on their website, but with DoorLoop, this can just be found online. You can get access to a wide range of features with DoorLoop starter plan for just $49 per month for up to 20 units. You can even get a free demo to explore the software yourself with the link down in the description, and you can get a discount. Usability. Entrata is known for its usability, but what about DoorLoop? This is actually another one of DoorLoop's strengths. In fact, it did win an award for it. Users report DoorLoop's dashboard being incredibly easy to navigate, the software itself lightning fast, and other accounting tools and other features being structured in a way that makes it incredibly easy to find whatever you need. Customer support. Another award-winning feature for DoorLoop, users report having an incredibly easy time getting a hold of support quickly. In addition, with DoorLoop, you can actually speak to real, live human beings who will help you with your request. Even in our demo, you'll be walked through with a real live human being, so once again, make sure to click that link down below. Cloud-based software can streamline your entire portfolio in a much more efficient method. But you need to find the right tool that'll not only do what you need, but provide a pleasant experience with high ease of use and easy access to support in case you ever run into issues. But with DoorLoop, you get all of that and so much more. So click the link down in the description for a special discount and a free demo. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!